Welcome to Empire Expansion Bees, where you can also detoxify and rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. Today, let me share about pranic healing and various other energy tools that are beautifully integrated here. Every individual who enters is encouraged to cut unwanted energy links. Our holistic healing approaches are intended to cleanse aura and energy centers of the body. Dr. Pallavi has been a source for creating several healers who have together executed over 2500 plus offline and distance healing sessions. You can experience a single session to 11 sessions to 33 healings for better and lasting results, including all age gaps. Consider buying programmed crystals and bracelets for specific purposes like protection, money, health, relationship, and spiritual connection. So friends, schedule your distance or offline healing sessions to prevent long-term issue, catering to both local and international clients who have reported positive outcomes. These services are accessible to all. A commitment to transformation fosters a pathway to a happier life, and we believe these experiences should be accessible to everyone. You can find the branches in Nashik, Pune and Ojar. So what are you waiting for? Do visit to Empire Expansion Bees. Thank you.